Hello, today we're going to show you how to use the event handler function from ACTi. We will also walk you through setting up an event rule. This is our setup. We have one ACM3701 mini dome pointed at an ACM8511 PDZ camera. Now we're looking through the eye of the mini dome. We can see the PDZ camera, and you can see that we have connected the button switch to the digital input and the LED light to the digital output. This is the view through the PDZ camera. We will set this PDZ camera into motion shortly. Event handler is a set of rules that control when and how to respond to what. Each rule responds to a single trigger and can call up many different responses. In addition, an event rule only works when the trigger falls inside the event rule active period. Each response takes a different amount of time, and one rule can be triggered for many times during the event rule active period. Triggers can be on schedule, motion detection, digital input, video loss, or day-night switch. Responses include upload snapshots, video, URL command, notification messages, email, digital output, motion detection profile, PDZ preset points, and day-night mode switches. This is quite a versatile set. We'll set up one rule to let you see how it all works together, and we'll start from the FTP server. For the FTP server, you will need to configure its IP address. I will use my own computer in this case so that we may see the actual upload in progress. The port is usually 21. You need the username and the password. Apply. This rule will upload video file to the FTP server since 2 seconds before the trigger until 15 seconds afterwards. We will now set up the uploading parameters. Enable, video, pre-buffer time 2, so it starts 2 seconds before DI, and upload time is 15 seconds. It will continue 15 seconds after the trigger. The image file name can be very flexibly defined. Here is a description which you can refer to at your leisure. It allows for a mix of dynamic parameters and fixed characters. We will now set up the name to include a fixed prefix, which is event handler underscore year, month, date, underscore, hour, minute, seconds. We also need to define where to put the file. Type in the upload path area to define the folder name, which can also use the parameters. If the folder does not exist yet, the event handler will create it automatically. Be sure to give your FTP account proper permission to do this. Use underscores instead of dashes. We finished setting up this video upload. Now we will set up the PDZ point. We have already set up the PDZ position to go to in this example, and we will test them now. They seem to work fine. Now that the preset points are where they should be, we will tell the event handler which one to go to on trigger. We will let it go to preset point 2 and let it stay there for 10 seconds. Apply. Now we need to establish the rule to connect everything together. We will use event rule 1. First we enable it, then we will set it to work only on weekdays. It will be triggered by digital input 1, and it will upload image by image setting group 1 and go to the preset point. Apply. Now the rule is defined. We will now test it. I will trigger the rule by pressing the button switch. This will make the PDZ camera move. Press. Here we can see the upload in progress from the FTP server program. You can see it is actually uploading right now. Now the 10-second park time for PTZ position has passed and it returns to the original position. The upload is also done. We will check for our results. Here we will find the file in its proper folder. You can see that this is the folder we have just created. This is the time right now. This is the file we've just uploaded to the FTP site. Now we will test it by playing it through the archive player. We will find the file at its proper folder and open the file to play. You can see the PTZ camera moving and focusing in, and after the 10 seconds has passed, it will return to its original position. The video file of 15 seconds ends after it returned. Voila! Here's the event rule in action. You can find out more from our event handler guide from ACTi.com. Thanks for your viewing.